What is up? It is me again. I just wanted to actually do a nighttime facial routine with you all. Um, let's see. So there are a few products that I actually like to use for my face, and let's see. I'll show you two of them for the nighttime. One of which is actually what I use for day and nighttime. The other is just for nighttime. So hold on. Let me make sure I got all my products in order. You gotta make sure you take care of your face. Period. So if you can't tell, I think y'all can see me. I hate that light though, so we're gonna do this. So we don't need that either. Okay, y'all can see me. Okay, so I like this. This is one of my favorite products. I love how it makes me feel. Makes my face feel clean. Makes my face feel just not so oily. And if you're like me at all, your face can develop a lot of oil. So, as you can see, this is my go-to product. I use this in the morning and at night. Also, had to give me another bottle of this because I like this too. This is my Clean and Clear Night Relaxing. It is deep cleansing. It does definitely feel just like that. Those are the two that I use at night. So I like to warm my face. I use one dry rag, one wet rag, and wet rag. I use it with hot water so that I can get my pores really open up. Because, you know, same way when you're in the shower, they say, hey, your pores are open, don't go outside. So I do the same thing with my face. I wet my face, get my pores open real good, get everything loose, and get them ready to get their nighttime treatment. You know, it's important. It is definitely important to take care of your face. Because your face is the first thing everybody sees, right? If it's not taken care of properly, well, you're not doing your job. I hate the lighting in here. I'm so sorry about that. I've been meaning to get a different light. I mean, you know, it's only one light, but... And then I hate the little overhead vent. Gets on my nerves, too. So, it's whatever. Y'all can still see me. You can still see what I'm doing. I'm going to invest in a ring light. That's probably going to be a good idea. But, I haven't gotten there yet. Okay. So, that's one process. Cool. My hands are still wet, so that's a good thing. Put a few drops on my hands. Rub it in your face. You know, when I was younger, I was learning about facial products, and I accidentally got some stuff in my eye. Oh, man. It was serious. It was burning. I was screaming and hollering. My mom was like, girl, you're supposed to put it on your face, not in your eye. She just, I mean, we laughed about it, you know, after, of course. And as I got older, but, boy, that day was so crazy. Oh, yeah. You gotta excuse all the facial expression. This feels, man, y'all, when I say this feels good, this feels good. Don't taste good, though. Don't do that. I accidentally, man, listen, that was just horrible. Get the neck a little bit. I don't like to necessarily do all this in the shower. I mean, I will, but I don't necessarily like to. Because I like to see, I don't know, I'm weird. I like to see the success of what I'm doing for my face. Okay. Make sure you wash your hands real good. Get them all nice and get that cleaned off. Use that rag that you previously wet before with the hot water. And you're going to use that to now wipe your face. Got a little water on it. Y'all like me and y'all have a water bill, don't. Yeah. Woo. Telling y'all almost got it in my face. I mean, my eyes. Can't do that. Not a good idea. Okay. My dog is just snoring, y'all. Something serious. Alright, get that hot water. Get that rag rinsed off real good. And see, I use the hot water because if there's any bit still on your face, you can go ahead and get that off. That's it. That's good. Okay. So I put it back on my cook rag. And now I use, what did I do to the, uh-oh. Did I push it back down? Oh, man. Okay, here we go. I'm tripping. Okay. Now we're on to the nighttime relaxing. This, it basically just helps you to wind down, has the calmingness to it. And smells freaking amazing. Ladies, when you're doing your face, make sure that you are really getting every area of your face. This can be used for women and men, but being a woman myself, I want to make sure I pointed that out. Make sure you get every area of your face. All of the nooks and crannies and dips and crevices. It's crazy because honestly, I only have one bump. You can't, right there, one. Whew. I even get in my eyebrows. I feel like this is some eyebrow wash too. You know, get all of it. Sometimes I can actually, it feels a little tingly, so that's when you know it's working. I like that. So now you take your face wash again. Get the hot rag again going. Okay. This time, unfortunately, I did leave the water running. Unfortunately. Oh, I'm gonna put in the comments my Clubhouse. I have that. I'm gonna get back into podcasting too, because I like talking there as well. You know, I'm trying to get back into the swing of life. And you know, grief comes in many forms, right? It, like everybody keeps telling me, does not have a time. So what I now have to do is get to a point where I find a balance, which in turn becomes my version of a new normal. Whatever that may be. Still learning what that is. Honestly, in this whole grief process, I am learning. And that's all I can do. All right. I got my dry one. And your pat. All right. That's it. Peace.